It's all about location at the Watch House restaurant. This is a classic yet contemporary style venue with stunning panoramic views of our track. The split level seating at the Watch House guarantees every table in the house can take in the panoramic view. Lots of our UK owners and trainers return to the Watch House each year because of its proximity to the parade ring, but also the easy access to the front of the stands and the betting ring. Our top chefs will prepare a wide variety of classic dishes that should appeal to anyone's palate. A carefully selected wine list is designed to complement the menu along with a selection of beautiful Bollinger champagnes. Your Watch House package will include your car parking pass, your reserved enclosure admission ticket with your Watch House wristband, your race card and pen, a fabulous 4-course served a la carte lunch with an afternoon tea package served later on in the day.